Alhamdulillah. Here we are, y'all, with part one. I'm reading from the brief that my public defender filed on my behalf. This is that appeal that they promised me that I had a right to. The judge in my sentencing told me I had a right to appeal my conviction and my sentence. Remember that. He said I can appeal my sentence. Let's see what we do. So this is from my public defender, Mr. Jeffrey Raff. You know, he's a retired attorney. You know, very ineffective at my trial. At least I don't know about other people. At my trial, very ineffective. So, we have this is what the brief look like, y'all. This page. It's a brief description of the appeal, which court it came from, trial court case number, what judge I had, John Serbeck, you know, things of that nature, identified marks. We got the table of contents, table of authorities, statement of the issue, statement of the case, statement of facts, summary of arguments, standards of review, arguments, conclusion, word count certificate, judgment of conviction, and certificate of service. It's a table of contents. Now we got a table of authorities, y'all, which is just different cases. These are cases when you see a last name versus state. These are cases. These are the years and everything that they use, that they highlighted throughout this brief. These are all the cases. These are all the statutes that the attorney used, and this is the rules, Appellate Rule 7B, that he used throughout this brief, just identifying everything that's supposed to be here. Here we go. Let's get to the gusto. Where I'm at on time, cameraman. Shout out to my cameraman. Where I'm at. Just let me know where I'm at.
135.
135 right now? Okay, y'all, we're going to try to...
140 right now.
140. We're going to try to get this done, inshallah, real quick. Stop me when I get to about maybe 3 minutes, inshallah. Right. Here we go, y'all. Page 1. Statement of issues. The appellant/defendant, Dante Martin, presents the following issues for review. 1. Whether the evidence is sufficient to support the convictions for attempt murder, and 2. Whether the sentences are appropriate in light of the nature of the offenses and the character of the offender. Statement of case. On September 19, 2012, Martin was charged by informations as follows. Count 1, attempt murder, a Class A felony, in violation of Indiana Codes subsection 35-42-1-1 and 35-41-5-1. Count 2, attempt murder, a Class A felony, in violation of IC subsection 35-42-1-1 and IC 35-41-5-1. Count 3, attempt murder, a Class A felony, in violation of IC code subsection 35-42-1-1 and 35-41-5-1. Count 4, attempt murder, a Class A felony, in violation of IC code subsection 35-42-1-1 and subsection 35-41-5-1. Count 5, Part 1, carrying handgun without a license, a Class C felony, in violation of Indiana Code subsection 35-47-2-1 and 35-47-2-23. Count 5, Part 2, carrying a handgun without a license, a Class C felony, in violation of Indiana Code subsection 35-47-2-1 and subsection 35-47-2-23. And count 6, battery, a Class C felony, in violation of Indiana Code subsection 35-42-2-1. Count 7, criminal recklessness, a Class D felony, in violation of Indiana Code subsection 35-42-2-2. Count 8, criminal recklessness, a Class D felony, in violation of Indiana Code subsection 35-42-2-2. And count 9, criminal gang activity, a Class D felony, in violation of Indiana Code subsection 35-45-9-3. Appellates 3-4-13 through 25. Now we're going to end right there, y'all. Inshallah, we're going to get back with part 2.